friend in internet marketing, and in this video I want to show you a powerful new product that we've created for Pinterest marketing. Pinflux is a desktop application that will help you save a lot of time and achieve more with Pinterest. So let's get started and see what Pinflux can do. The first thing you need to do is add your Pinterest account to Pinflux, and you can do that by clicking on Add New Account. When you click on Add New Account, it's going to ask you to select which app you want to use. Now Pinflux lets you create your own app on Pinterest and use that app. That helps you protect your account from all the nonsense that other people might be doing on Pinterest, and helps you make sure that your reputation is secure. So I'm going to quickly create an app and get back. So after I add my app, I can select it, and now I can add any Pinterest account to Pinflux by putting in the email ID and the password. So after putting your email ID and password, click on Add Account. You'll be taken to Pinterest authorization. Put in your email and password again. Log in. Allow your app, and then you will see the ID, the account name on the sidebar, and when you click on it, you will see all the boards in that account. So I've got all these boards in the account. You can see them, and to work with a board, just click on it. So in this particular board, I don't have any keywords. So the first thing I need to do when I set up an account is set up some keywords for searching. So let's click on Yes. And then let's put in a keyword. Let's make it a fashion oriented thing. So I've added a keyword called shirt designs, and when I'm done, I can click on save. But first, let's look at some of the settings. The first is automatically pin to board. So whatever pins Pinflux finds, it can automatically pin to this board. If you check this, and it can, if you don't want to pin automatically, if you just want to keep the pins in a queue, go through the pins yourself and then select the pins that you want to pin to the board. You can click on queue pins on auto, which will not post but will queue it up for you, and you can see the queue by clicking on search results. We'll just go to that in a second. Finally, if you're using automatic pinning, you can select the gap between two pins. So you can go for pins in as less as 45 minutes to all the way up to days. You can also put in more keywords. I've put in only one, but if you want, you can put in as many keywords as you want. And if you want to put in some description, if you're using auto pinning and you want to put in some description below each pin that you make, you can put that. It supports its pin text if you got the pro version, and you can also put in links. So you can put in a link over here, and if you want, you can connect this to your Facebook or Twitter account. Once you're done, click on Save Settings. And now when I go into pending pins, because I had the option queue pins to post, all the pins are already put in pending pins. I can see all the t-shirt designs that Pinflux has found for me, and any design that I want to pin to Pinterest, I can just click on Pin Now. But before that, if I want to modify the description, for example, maybe the link or something, I can just point it to my website like this, and I can modify the description. I can put in my own description, whatever you want to write, you can write, and click on OK. And now when I'm ready to pin it, just click on Pin Now. And any pin you want to post to Pinterest, just click on Pin Now, and Pinterest will have that pin from you. You can pin multiple pins. And here I am in my Pinterest board, and you can see the t-shirts that I pinned are all here. So this is one quick way to find quality content for your Pinterest boards across multiple boards and multiple accounts from Pinterest itself. But not only that, you also have other features. So if you want to do the same thing with repins, suppose you don't want to pin new things, just want to repin them, you can do that. Go into settings again, put in the keywords that you want. This time I went with shoes. And here in search results, I've got a ton of different shoe designs, and now I can repin them. Instead of pinning them, I can repin them. So inside my board, this image and this details would be repinned. And again, as the last time, you can modify descriptions, You can modify the links and just put in your own links and your own descriptions and have new content in your boards all the time. You can go to any board by clicking on the boards over here, up there, put in a keyword, and you're ready to rock. You can even like pins and boards. If you click on likes, put in a keyword again, you can like any of the pins you want and build up some traction, some attention to your own board, get some traffic to your board. You also have follow boards. So if you want to follow any board, again the same process, put in a keyword in the search results, you will get the boards and you can follow them. But again, you also have automation. So if you want to auto follow, click on auto follow and you will be able to auto follow boards without having to manually do it. Not only that, you can also unfollow boards. So if you are following up some boards, you can unfollow them on the auto. If somebody doesn't follow you back, you can unfollow them. Of course, it's going to show you a list of the boards that you're already following, and you can just click on the unfollow button to unfollow any board you want. You can follow users and unfollow users, and you can also find boards by category. So if you want to go for group boards, if you want to find group boards and become a participant of that board, it's possible with Pinflux. Just click the category, select the category like men's fashions, order by pins, and click on go. And here you will see all the boards that are public, that have collaborators, and if you click on any of the boards, it will load up in your browser and you'll be able to send a participating request, maybe become a part of that board and get started with getting more traction from group boards too. This is the most powerful Pinterest marketing software with pinning, repinning, likes, following boards, unfollowing boards, following users and unfollowing users, finding group boards, and of course it has complete reporting too. So if you click on reports, you will see a complete list of exactly what you've been doing. You will see links where you can actually view the entire post that you've made. So if you click on this one, for example, you will see it. This is the t-shirt that I pinned there. You'll see the t-shirt, so you can follow the links too. And in errors, if something didn't go right, if Pinterest did not accept a post, if Pinflux wasn't able to post something, it's going to show it to you inside the errors. So Pinflux is a complete Pinterest automation software, Pinterest marketing software, which makes it very easy for you to work with Pinterest. It puts everything on a single console, on a single screen. You don't need to go and hunt and look for different things. You can work with multiple accounts, multiple boards, do all the Pinterest marketing from one place, and you can even give it to your assistants or your team without having to share your Pinterest password. You just set it up once and nobody has to fill in the password again and again, which is very liberating because you can work with the team too. So guys, if Pinterest is something that you want to be on and you want to really have a solid strategy on Pinterest, Pinflux is the software that you need today.